This video explains how to wirelessly connect a MOVNORM series monitor to a Sony A7R IV camera via Wi-Fi. Before starting the connection, you need to configure the camera settings. Click the menu button to open the menu. Select Network 1. Choose Control with Smartphone. Set Control with Smartphone to On. Select Connection. And click the Delete button to view and note down the camera's SID and password. Next, proceed with the connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, then tap Camera. Tap Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. Tap Add New Device, select the camera device, and correctly enter the camera password. Click OK to successfully complete the connection. Tap REC to start or stop recording. Tap Focus to enable camera focusing. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture size. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO sensitivity. Tap Camera Mode to change the camera shooting mode. Tap WB to change the white balance mode. When the white balance mode is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto, tap EV to adjust the exposure level. Tap Video bitrate and frame rate to change the recording bitrate and frame rate. That concludes the tutorial on wirelessly connecting a MOVNORM series monitor to a Sony A7R IV camera via Wi-Fi.